Hello everyone, this is Hazel Witch, and today we are doing a reading on what should you focus on, where should you give your most attention. Okay, so this is a general reading, may not relate to everyone, but I'm just doing it. So this is pile 1, this is pile 2, and this is pile 3. I will write the timestamps down in the description box, so go and click it. Okay, hello to whoever chose pile 1, and we will start with the reading. Okay, I guess this group got an extra card, I think. Okay, so what should you focus on? Are you spending a lot of money, and are you doing things that for your pleasure and not thinking about the future, or wasting a lot of money? If you are wasting a lot of money, then this is your sign. Do not. So what should you focus on is being more practical, using senses to invest, don't spend, really invest your money. Okay, with this Queen of Wands and King of Cups, I see both of them looking at, all of them are looking at the devil, so that kind of means they are looking up to the devil, which means materialistic desires. Okay, so if you are I can see you have a very nice capability of earning a lot of money, and also you deal with people's emotions, and that is cool. You are also very practical, but these days you have not been so practical with the money. You can be wasting a lot of money, or you can be actually spending it or investing it in the wrong stuff. So just see where you are investing your money. Okay, just look into it. And also with these two cards and this card, I see that I think I can talk about this on YouTube, right? Yeah. So if you are having many sexual desires and a lot of it, I think you should start controlling. I know you are controlling, but it's just you need to find a good way out for this. Okay, you have a lot of energy. Okay, emotional, mental, physical, all energies are in you, and see, there are all the elements, you see, except air, so yeah, we will take that as the wing. So what we are seeing here is you need to get an outlet. Okay, energy outlet. Have you heard about sex magic or manifesting with sexual feelings and all that? I guess you should look into it. Okay, so you will also get an outlet, and you will not feel that bad. If you are having a lot of addictive thoughts and you are wasting your money on things that you feel gives you pleasure, then just stop doing that. Okay, stop doing that, absolutely. Your mentality is changing day by day, little by little. It's changing into a whole different route. Okay, you are very confident. You are also, sometimes you can be overconfident about your don't mind. Okay, I'll just say whatever is coming through. You can be thinking about your financial stuff and thinking, no, I have money, so I can spend it. But I don't feel that's really good in this pile. Okay, That's generally not good, but in this pie it just shows. um, Try. Okay, I am like right now I'm like a broken record, but this is what I am seeing right away. Try to invest your money or make your money in a fixed deposit or whatever, you know, like do it somewhere where you get long term pleasures, not the short term. Okay, you can be thinking about luxury and short term desires, and you can also be thinking about doing partying a lot, and you know, just, I won't say party is waste of money, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so try it out. You have a lot of creative, and you have so much creative energy. You know, when these three card comes, they are like really creative. Okay, they are really creative, and what I see here is you can be like, your sacral chakra is overactive. Okay, your sacral chakra is very overactive. You need to calm that down. Okay, do meditate, do what you think is right for you, but let me tell you, do not go in the wrong paths, because with these three looking at the devil, I feel like you are going into the wrong direction by doing things that you are not here to do. Okay, so it can be spiritual stuff. It can also be like you are focusing on wrong things, or I won't say necessarily bad, but that's not just right for you. Okay, you are focusing on things that maybe are not meant for you. I feel I'll just go to the next card, but I will come back to these again. Okay, we have Jed and we have Hanuman. Okay, so we will see what Jed is saying. Angel of health, wealth, and happiness. Just see this. Just see this. Health, wealth, happiness. I mean, yeah. Health, wealth, happiness. Oh my god. So, see, oh, how is your health? What is going on for you financially? Take the necessary steps to improve your well being. Eat health promoting foods, and incorporate exercise into your daily life. You have good fortune and live a charmed life. Okay, so you are very fortunate, as I'm telling you, you are very fortunate. So with these cards, I can also say that you are getting into stuff that are not good for you, which can also mean addictive stuff like alcohol, or you know, things that addict you in general. It can also be Netflix, you know, it just varies from different person. I see that you are very fortunate with good health and mental stability and financial condition. All you need to do is balance it out. Okay, you need to know what is good for you, what is right for you, right? So with this sun and moon here, I see that you can be more towards the you are just not balanced, so it's different from for everyone. Okay, so some of you are more towards the masculine side, some of you are more towards the feminine side, but there is addiction for sure. Maybe you are sleeping late at night because you are watching movies. Maybe you are thinking about taking alcohol and all that. So I don't see it getting good here. Okay, just take care of your physical health. You are already well and you have all the resources. See, they have all the resources: king, queen, knight, and the devil. You have like 3 court cards and 1 major arcana. What do you need? You have all the resources. Devil also talks about resources because devil is very materialistic, and it talks about material possessions and all that. So yeah, that is what I'm seeing over here. I will like to add few more things, one of which is you need to choose your company right. Okay, you need to choose who you are friends with. You should choose people who are actually good for you. Sometimes you are also focusing on people who are not good for you. You are thinking someone as God, but no, they are the devil. So yeah, you can get indulged very easily. There is someone you look up to, and that person is being the devil in your story. Okay, but you have a very good heart, your intentions are always right, so you are a nice person, but there are things you need to understand, that the outer world is not so nice just like you. Okay, you oh my god, I just saw 1111 while recording this one, so boom, you can also be seeing 1111s. So what you need to do right now is choose your company wisely. There are better things for you. Okay, when the devil card comes up and these card comes up, I just say there are far better things for you than you still imagine. Okay, you do not have to like get indulged in one particular desire, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is what I'm seeing. Also, Hanuman talks about bhakti, right? So bhakti to the devil, see, Hanuman is also almost looking at the devil, so to the devil won't be a good decision, right? So choose your company wisely. You think they are your friends or they are the people who are well wishers, but I don't see them wishing that well for you. Okay, I don't see that. Take necessary steps to improve your health and well-being. So yeah, do that, and tell me if you are resonating with this. Okay, because I had a little bit of confusion, I don't know why, while starting this. So maybe that was because you are very confused right now where to focus on. You know things, but you are almost in a denial. Okay, you are almost in a denial and feeling like chalta hai ye sab, but it doesn't. It will harm you in the long term. Okay, it will really harm you in the long term. So yeah, that was your reading. Please tell me if you resonated with it. I'll be really glad to know that. Okay, and please share my video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Please like and subscribe and share my video. Bye bye. Hi everyone who chose pile 2. This is your reading, and I will start with these cards first, then I will go to the other cards. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll just say it first because I always forget to say. So for the pile number 2, what I'm seeing here is you need rest. Okay, you really need rest. You are doing a lot of things at once. You are juggling between work or personal life and work, right? So you are unable to make a decision, a choice that you want, because you feel like everything is almost you just don't know what to choose. But I mean, you have literally blindfolds on. Okay, like you know what to choose, your higher self knows what to choose, but you are still like waiting for some other signs to come towards you to choose something else. But I see that if you are confused, and then this is your sign, the sign you have been waiting for, that choose what you really think is right. Okay, you need rest. You are doing a lot of things at once. You are just restless, and you are in a big denial. You just don't know what you are having. Like, you are hungry, I don't know why I'm saying this, but you are hungry. It can be for success, it can be for love, it can be for anything. Okay? So don't make it that way. All right? You have sacrificed previously a lot, and right now you are not trying to please people anymore because you are in your own power. But remember one thing, being in your own power does not mean that you have to overwork or like kill yourself totally for getting things done, right? You want some stability, some balance in your life, but it's just not happening because you are not ready to accept some facts. Okay, you have come a long way, I see, and you are working really great, but what I need to say is you are just fooling yourself. Okay, with these cards side by side, I see that you are fooling yourself. You are also fooling yourself with distraction. You can call this distraction because sometimes when we have to ignore our emotions, our feelings, we just try to work so that it just doesn't happen. Like, we do not have to deal with the emotions. But at night when we try to sleep, those emotions just comes up rapidly and there's a mess. Okay, so I think you are working too much and you are not resting, and you are, if you are not working, you are using distractions, a lot of it, okay, to like cut off your emotional side so that it doesn't disturb you anymore. With the Hanged Man, it seems that you have been feeling stuck for a while, and right now you want to take things in your own hand. Like, I will give an example. You wanted money and you have been waiting for it, for a plan to, like, go well, but then you saw, I don't think this is going to get very well, so I will just make a backup plan, and then you do another thing here. So I won't say that backup plan is not nice. Backup plan is very good. It just shows how committed you are, and trust me, it is very nice. But the thing is, you are just overworking yourself. You are very tired of other people. You just don't want to get with other people. Like, see all these pictures, these people are alone, right? These people are alone. You are trying to be alone in your own room, in your own bed, doing your work. Or if you are going outside, I don't know, for the pandemic you can go outside or not, but this is timeless. So yeah, I see that you have had a lot of misconceptions about when it comes to your mental condition and your financial security. Okay, you can be insecure about your financial condition, but I am not seeing anything to be insecure of. Okay, you have to balance your emotions. You are just not taking care of your health or your mental emotions and all that. You need to do everything in balance. Like, for the first pile it was almost the same but a little different, but yeah, in this pile I see you need more balance. You need much more balance. You just have to do it. Okay, just cut off those things. Leave. You do not need this much of things to be happy, right? You do not need to be billionaire to be happy. You can be happy and you can be a millionaire too. Like, I'm just giving an example. Okay, so you do not have to overwork yourself to the point that you are just doing and just feeling nothing. Okay, you are doing and feeling nothing. You had to take care of your family, you had to take care of everyone, or in a very small age you started earning or you were making money, but this is very important. Okay, do not overwork yourself. You do not need this many salts. You can have like 2 of them and you are happy to go, like good to go, right? So leave those things that burden you. Leave the things that makes you feel exhausted. Okay, now I'll move on to the next cards. So we have Dhumavati and Unikite. Okay, so I will first come to Dhumavati. Please don't get scared by this card. Okay, this card literally means that move in your own journey. Okay, you may lose a lot of stuff in your life, but then also you have your life, right? So you are your biggest treasure. You are the best thing that ever happened to you, believe it or not. You have to have that courage, you have to have that humor in your life. Okay, one thing I'm seeing, that you are missing a lot of humor in your life. Okay, the colors are so like grayish and all that, so it really means for me that your life is feeling not so coloring, like it's feeling a little colorless. So I will just tell you that I think you need to actually go out of your comfort zone. Okay, if your comfort zone right now is working, I'm telling you to go out of that and into a new one. Okay, so go to a trip or something. Okay, just take some time out, take some rest. You are doing a lot of work at once. This is just not fitting you well. And I'll go to the next card. So this card is Unikite. If I spell wrong, please tell me. I will just read what is written over here. Are you having emotional upsets? I was telling you this about emotions. Like, oh my god, are you able to swallow what's happening in your life? Balance yourself through self-nurturing behaviors. Watch your diet, embrace your emotions, imagine the food you eat provides all the nutrients and good health. Okay, ain't saying anyone anything bad, but see her face. She clearly needs some food. She does. She just needs some food and she needs to be healthy. She looks like an exhausted person who have overworked themselves out. Like, that was not the case maybe, but I'm just telling you how it is looking like. She exhausted herself and by crying, and her emotions were just all over the place. Okay, as this card is talking about emotions as well, balanced emotion. Oh my god, these are the affirmations you can use, so they are good, kind of. My advice for you is nothing but take some time out for yourself. Watch your emotions, watch what have been going on in your life. Okay, there is a lot of things fading away. You need some enjoyment, you need some humor, you need some kind of happiness in your life. I don't know if this is not for every one of you, but for a very few of you, someone in your family has deceased before a few months or few days. Okay, I'm not saying this to everyone. Maybe like if 100 people are watching this, 1 out of that 100 is having the same thing. So yeah, that is almost what I'm seeing. Just balance your emotions. Okay, keep your mind calm, do things like sit with your emotions for a day. Give yourself a day and sit with your emotions, and do not think that they are really not doing good, So yeah, that was your reading. Please like, share and subscribe my video. It really helps me, and thank you. Bye bye. Hello everyone who chose pile 3. This is your reading, so please like and subscribe my channel and share this video. I'll say first because I forget every single time. So as I was like putting the cards on the table, I saw you have literally 444. OMG. Okay, oh my god, like you know what you should focus on. You guys are sorted. You guys are completely sorted. You know what you should focus on. Some of you are thinking about buying a new house, moving to a new city, marriage, and settling down. What that means, like 4, you are seeking stability, so you are working towards that. I won't say that you have not balanced, because other 2 groups were a bit unbalanced, but you, my loves, amazing. Okay, just amazing. You have okay, one thing I'm seeing here is that you are now stable from something that you just left. Okay, maybe there was a toxic relationship in your life that you left behind. Maybe there was something that was literally holding you back from getting to your best potential, right? So what I'm seeing here is your past is not going to affect you anymore, and you just know it. Some of you are studying and others of you are working, so I'm seeing that you will definitely have a promotion. Okay, for whoever was thinking about that, you should focus on you should focus on being stable. So you are doing that. Maybe in the past you were feeling a bit stuck, or in a very undesirable situation, maybe a toxic relationship or a toxic work life balance and all that. So right now you have done a lot of work with this, like you have saved money, you have taken rest, you have literally found the love of your life. If some of you have not, then you will in the coming 2 months, and you are all settled. I see that some of you are also thinking about marrying, so congratulations to you all. Everything good is happening. I don't know what to say about this pile. Literally, what you should focus on is your life in general. Okay, what you should focus on is your life. And also another thing, do not make the same mistakes you made in your past. Like maybe when you were not this stable, you were feeling very vulnerable and you made some mistakes. So there will time come when you have everything and still you will make those kind of mistakes. So be aware of them. Okay, like always learn from your mistakes so that you do not have to repeat them again, and the cycle just goes on and goes on. It's just terrifying. So what I'm seeing here with the King of Wands and the Emperor, they are almost like very stubborn and egoistic signs. I will say you want a lot of law and order in your life, but they are pretty stubborn. So what I have to say here is loosen up a bit. Okay, open your mind to new possibilities. You have done your best. I can see that you have done your best to settle down, and you are growing. You are absolutely growing, but you should be more open-minded to new possibilities or new things that you desire in your life, right? The Two of Cups make me feel that you will soon be meeting the love of your life or a soulmate. This is a soulmate connection, definitely. Maybe you met this person at your workspace. Okay, maybe you met this person through someone like, okay, and this is for a very few of you, so this can literally be your boss's son or daughter. Okay, like for a few of you, or someone you are working under, or they are just new people. This person is someone from your workplace. If you are a student, then I will go for the student class and all that. the major thing is be a little more open minded. You are holding on to things that are not serving you. There are a lot of things that you are holding on to and you are just sticking to it and you are not moving away. Okay, so because you had such an unstable past, you are right now feeling like I have to put it down in a row and just follow it. Whatever happens, I have to follow this pattern only. I have made up a plan and this is how it is going to get. But no, that is not. Okay, so that is not. Everything may not go to your go like you planned, but it will surely be more fruitful than you think. Okay, right now you think that you should be saving more and may not be enjoying anymore. Like, you have worked hard, you have saved your money, you have made the right decisions, but just if you are like some of you, if you are feeling stuck and all that, just don't. Okay, open your mind, open your hands, open your, like, get up from the bed. Okay, for some of you, literally get up from the bed. You need your health to be good. Okay, you are going to meet this love of your life, so okay, bravo. You need everything to be good. Just get up from the bed. Okay, for some of you, you are really being lazy right now because everything is sorted, or you want to be lazy when everything is sorted and all that kind of stuff. So this is a timeless reading, I can say that there are a lot of people working from home. So I think I can relate to this, that you are just sitting and earning literally. Yeah, in workplace also you sit and earn, but that's kind of different. So what I'm seeing here is you gotta open your mind a little bit and just not think so much. Okay, also for some of you, I see you need some cleaning. You need some cleaning. Dust your house, cut off the unwanted people from your life, just like cut the cords, that kind of thing. The dusting thing I told because I saw a lizard over here and just my mind just said that dust your house. So yeah, do it. Clean your room. Did I say dust? I wanted to say clean your room and eat more healthy food. Okay, eat more healthy food. Just look after yourself. You know, this is Aries. The emperor is Aries, and Aries is first house, and first house is about self and your self-worth and all that thing. So I will just say that work on yourself. You are working on yourself. I understand. You are taking rest, you are making money, you have found the love of your life, or you are going to you are all good. Just go out a little bit and just go out from home. Okay, you are too much in your house. I'll go to the next cards. This card is fluorite. So it is saying angel of intelligence. I'll read what's on this card. Have you been unable to focus on complex tasks? You are an intelligent being, of course, emperor. You can lovingly accomplish whatever you put your mind to. Develop your inner genius. Educate yourself in areas you feel your knowledge may be lacking. Okay, so I have something to say over here. You know, you are really intelligent, but when someone is offering you some more cup of advice, just be open to take it. Okay, just be open to take it. As I'm seeing a lot of Aries and, you know, stubbornness also I'm seeing. So I will just say that think that have a student mentality. Think that you are always learning, and you are always learning from people of different walks of life, right? So what I'm saying is, with the fluorite, it is trying to say that you need to open your mind and let the inner genius develop more. Okay, so if you are out of ideas or if you are feeling stuck, some of you are, I can see that. So if you are feeling stuck, I will tell you, this stuck thing is by choice. Okay, you have to look at it. If you are having a creative block, this is by choice. This is your subconscious blocking you because you feel you are stable, because you feel maybe there's not much to do. Next card we got Sattva. So it talks about purity and clarity. So yeah, you are pretty clear in your life with the fours and the kings. Of course, you are pretty clear about your life, what you want to do, how you want to save money, where you want to visit, which person you want to date, whom you want to marry. Everything is sorted in your life, but I will still tell you to have a little bit more open mind and just look out into things from a different perspective. Okay, like I will say you this emperor is looking front, and this is looking upwards, and this person is looking to the side. So what it makes me feel that, look the situation, if you are having any block situation, then like look at it close and see that, is it created by your mind? Is it just a mental block that you need to get out of? Okay, and for most of you, you will find that answer as yes. Okay, so see the thing from a different perspective and you are good to go. Sattva also tells us about, as I told in the previous thing, that Sattva also tells us about purity, clarity, letting go of things that doesn't serve anymore. So yeah, you are letting going. Oh my god, you are letting go of things that doesn't serve you anymore. I hope that's a correct sentence. My English is horrible. This person is holding 4 coins, and I don't think that he needs that many coins. Okay, like this person can be sleeping more than he should, but he is like, there is a little bit of unbalance created over here. So you have cleared it out, or you are going to clear it out very soon. So focus on things that really matter, let go of things that don't. Okay, you have gotten out of a toxic relationship or toxic work life thing. You were not getting rest at all, but right now you have the chance, so just take it. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty much it for your reading. Please let me know. Okay, one thing it just came to my mind, so sorry. The eye over here talks about intelligence as well. So yeah, just open your mind. That just came to me. Okay, so yeah, that was your reading. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be really glad if you do so. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. Bye bye.